So you might be in a random situation where for some reason Android Auto is just not working even though you have your particular car plugged into your particular phone. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, ensure that the car that you're even using Android Auto in is, completely acceptable with Android Auto. If it's not working, if there's issues like that, that might just mean that there's an issue with Android Auto. So go through, just make sure that your car's supported with Android Auto and there's not a problem with that. Now, if that's not a problem, the next thing I'd probably recommend kind of thinking about is to go through and just see if you can go through and re-plug in your phone. Sometimes you might just have to go through, plug in your phone once again. So just grab your phone, plug it in. That could just be an easy thing for you to go and kind of fix. Now, if that's not working, the next thing you might want to try doing is within the car itself, try see if you can go through and re-plug in your particular, restart your car, turn off your car, turn it back on. Things like that might end up fixing it. You might also have to go through and just see if there's some sort of software glitch going on with your car. If you have another car or another phone plugged into your particular device, you might also have to go through, unpair or unplug your previous device from Android Auto or CarPlay, and then plug in your phone or do wireless CarPlay with your other device, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem, because for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.